steel bar, 1.5 inch, I think. Tools that's curled up, a steel bar that's split apart. Seeing if my audio is okay. Okay. Steel bar, split up. Okay, this is a piece of wood and aluminium. I believe this is iron. Alex Pizarro sample. Done when we having dinner together at the lab years ago. This is the 4-inch by 4-inch by 8-inch long piece that's transmutated, that you have a piece that you showed in the beginning of your video came from this section. Okay, this is steel, aluminium. What? Oh yeah, wood and aluminium and a blown up block. I believe this is the end part of the blown up block of aluminium. It's kind of the end of the blown up block. Or half of it, I think, I forget. Another picture of the blown up block, or split. Almost looks like wood. This is what I call the crystal aluminium piece that you have a part of. A chunk from the center of the blown up block. This was a 2-inch round bar that went like this. It was round stock, bar stock aluminum. It just flared out, fell apart, and had multicolors in it. A close-up of the Pizarro sample. Another close-up of the Pizarro sample. Another picture of the Pizarro sample. A big, huge, fairly big piece of aluminium bar stock that disintegrated. Huge piece. Looking more at the huge piece of aluminium bar stock. This is the bar stock, 4-inch by 4-inch. The end piece that crystallized. I call it crystallization, but I don't think so. Did you have a piece of from this? Wood and aluminium. Used to be a 2-inch diameter round bar stock, went into this configuration. Okay, tossing in George Hathaway in the big lab. Long ago. Standing by Van de Graaff generator and field conditioning gear. This is me here with glasses and my hair, along with Dr. Loken, Dr. Harold Wilson, George Hathaway, and unfortunately Lauren A. Kuhn is not in the photo. This is, I think it's 1.5 inch, 2-inch, no, it's 1.5 inch. Stainless steel bar stock that went like this. I cut it in half to see what it looked like. And that's bar stock. It's 1.5 inch or something like that, I believe. Okay, stainless steel. Another picture of the cut in half stainless steel bar, non-magnetic, but magnetic properties in spots on it. Tested by Dr. Tanaka of Japan. This is me, I cut it in half. Another view of the stainless steel bar, non-magnetic but magnetic pieces somehow in it. Cut in half. This is a duplicate lab that somebody had in Canada that I don't know anything about. It was sent to me by Tom Brent, the pictures. Somebody wanted to get rid of it. Duplicate lab. Again, duplicate lab. Somebody was doing something back then. Again, the duplicate lab pictures. duplicate lab, more pictures. The duplicate lab, more pictures. Duplicate lab. In the front here you can see a variometer, and it looks like exactly like the one I had in the big labs back in the 80s. And ending with what you were showing in the beginning of your great video, impressive video. That piece you're holding came from this block that's totally morphed. Okay, thanks, Bob. Gonna upload this right away.